Welcome to our informative video session. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to delve into the critical topic of selecting suitable assets for predictive maintenance. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the factors to consider when prioritizing your assets and how to effectively implement predictive maintenance. Let's get started. Let's talk about how to select assets for predictive maintenance. It's all about prioritizing, especially when you're just starting out. Here are some key factors you should consider. Firstly, think about the criticality of the asset. If it's essential to your process, you'll want to prevent it from failing. Secondly, consider the cost to replace the asset. Companies often use predictive maintenance on expensive assets since they cost more to replace. Thirdly, take a look at the asset's failure history. An asset with a history of failures is a likely candidate. Did you know that about 80% of mechanical assets have no major faults? This can help narrow things down quite a bit. Fourthly, consider the ease of access to the asset. If it's hard to reach, it tends to be overlooked or ignored during regular maintenance checks. In this case, you might want to monitor it remotely. Lastly, think about the current maintenance costs. If you're already doing regular preventive maintenance checks on an asset, shifting over to predictive maintenance could cut down on those costs. The switch will also be a bit easier if you're already performing preventive maintenance. In essence, you're evaluating the overall cost savings of implementing predictive maintenance on the asset. Some assets are more worth protecting than others, and these factors will help you assess that. If you're just starting a predictive maintenance program, I'd recommend choosing one asset based on these criteria. A critical asset with a failure history would probably be a good candidate. As you install the needed equipment and incorporate that into your CMMS, you'll be able to gather data and learn exactly what impact your program has over time. Use that data to make whatever adjustments are needed to fine-tune your monitoring processes. After that, you should have enough information to start adding other assets to your predictive maintenance program. Now, if you already have a predictive maintenance program in place and want to expand it, I'd still advise taking it one asset at a time. In addition, you probably shouldn't monitor everything. Some assets won't have much of an impact if they fail. And predictive maintenance does have its own costs. Again, it's all about prioritization. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the key concepts of selecting suitable assets for predictive maintenance, prioritizing based on various factors, and implementing predictive maintenance effectively. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Your engagement helps us create more content like this. Thank you for your time.